Okay, so we're watching another crazy things about the garage doors. Okay, the woman was helping the 3-year-old kid to open the garage door. Let's see what they were doing. Okay. Oh my gosh, she was holding the garage door. I'm like, huh? She was carrying the baby. Oh, she rescued her like a fireman. It's another replay again. I'm like, sheesh. It's 7 feet. I think she will deserve punishment. Oh. Okay, the motorcycle. Oh, he accidentally crashed in there. The kids, what are they doing? Oh, they pushed the garage door. It fell again. It pushed the garage door. Watch your head, dude. Oh, another fell again. Okay, I think that guy needs help because of the storm. Oh, another crash again. Let's see. No garage door. Oh, this truck. Oh, this guy was really disappointed because of the garage door. Okay. I wonder if they were doing the garage door. Oh, a man with a green shirt? I wonder what he was doing. Oh, that looks like from the 3-year-old that was hanging the garage door. Let's see. Oh, he fell. I hope he's okay. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Blames with the wife. Oh. Let's see, this garage door's closing. Oh my gosh, look at the garage door. Oh, it's already bending. Look at that. Let's see, what is that woman doing? Let's see. Oh. Okay, normal garage door. It's going up. Let's see. This is gonna be crazier. Oh my gosh, they broke the whole thing. I heard this guy say, oh, there it goes. Okay, I wonder what they were doing right now. Already. So, the garage door, no, stop, slow down. Oh, there will be lots of noises. Okay, normal garage door was closing down. Okay, let's see. Wait for it. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, the spring. Okay. Oh! Oh, no. Stop. Oh, my gosh. Oh, no. No. Not again. It was just a replay. Jeez. Gosh. Let's see. Oh, he was jumping in the bike. Let's see. Oh, he got hit in the garage door and he fell. Let's see. Oh my gosh. This man hits from the garage door because he was delivering a package. Okay, let's see. Oh, this one's closing down. Oh, she got jumped again. And she started smiling or laughing or surprising. Oh my gosh, it's another replay. Oh, so that's it for the video, everyone.